Yo, welcome to a new video of Lord Bricks, and today I was searching for a new idea on the Lego website, and yeah, I like the architect sets, and then I saw this one, the Pyramid of GYZA, and I was thinking, can I build something else? And then I see those pieces, that color, a lot of that color, so I was thinking to myself, what can I make with this one? Of course, the pyramid. But what can I make? And then I think by myself, we can make Asgard. And now we have Asgard and of course our Lego set. So after a design in studios, I was working on a small architecture set of Asgard. And this is what I have created. First we're going to review the Pyramid of GYZA. And this was a fun build. Yeah, not a fun build, but it was amazing how it looks. I like the pyramid stuffs, I like the stuffs of Egypt, so I want to have this set really bad. I don't like it that it's cut in half on the background, but you see some small details of the roots or the pharaoh. The small details are amazing. It's a lot the same thing that you have to build, but yeah, it was a fun build to do. But the pieces, I want to have those pieces, those white pieces, those brown pieces. So yeah, that was the thing. I want to have this small one. It's really fun. You can take the top off, and then you can see the inside of the pyramid, and it's also amazing. It looks fantastic, but as you see, it's a lot of the same things to make and create. But yeah, the build, it's okay. It looks amazing to have it on display. But yeah, this was the Pyramid of GYZA. Okay, and this is the demolition of the Pyramid of GYZA, and after this I'm going to show you how I have created the newer piece that I've made with this part. Only with this part. It's the Asgard architecture set. It's very small, about 600 parts, and after this I'm going to show you how it looks in closer details. So yeah, take a look at how I created this. Yes, and this is Asgard, our own project, our own architecture of the front when you arrive at Asgard with the bridge, the design. This is how it looks in the movies, and this is how I created. So yeah, it is with the parts, only with the parts of the set of the Pyramid of GYZA. So yeah, it was not a tricky build, but it was, you have some imagination with the design, with the creation of this. But I am very happy with it. If you want to build it also, I don't know yet if I loaded up the building instructions, but maybe let me know if you want it. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and then I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.